time of the year where those Christmas cards come flooding in and those Christmas parties start to happen at work or with friends or with family, and we start seeing people that we don't normally see throughout the year, and there's phone calls and there's doorbells ringing and there are all sorts of things happening, especially when it comes to setting up the Christmas tree. And then there's the food. Yes, the food! And this year I've created an incredible plant-based feast for you at home. I've got a tapas menu for lunch. When everybody comes over for lunch, I'm going to do tapas. And then for dinner, I've got a beautiful, gorgeous plant-based Wellington and a huge stuffed pumpkin. Gravy and creamy polenta mash. Oh, and then I've got the desserts. Pavlova is such a big thing in Australia. Who wants pavlova? And in New Zealand, we love it back home, and I've made this one completely plant-based. I've got my dad's amazing fruitcake and chocolate mousse and a beautiful pumpkin pie for my American friends. Family and friends and hugs and kisses and presents of love, and that's what Christmas is all about. And then there's the food. This year is going to be amazing. I cannot wait to share this with you. Every single time of the day I'm playing the Christmas music, and it is a joy to celebrate with you at home. I'm wishing you, from my heart to yours and from my kitchen to yours at home, Merry Christmas.